Someone reminded me I once said,
"Never shake a baby bird."
Now it seems it's legal. Because
nobody puts baby bird in water.
now I've been considered a pretty smart
Baby bird.
and maybe I was in prison too long.
What seems to be the problem, officer?
Mobile phone.
But sometimes it's the only place to stay sane and look out through those bars and say,
It's because of baby. Baby bird. Baby bird.
Was one of the biggest names on Wall Street before he went to prison for insider trading.
That name doesn't mean anything anymore.
If it weren't for people who took risks, where would we be in this world?
You might want to wipe some of the drool off your face.
Please allow me to introduce myself. I'm a
Parakeet.
well and take.
Disco.
My name's Jacob Moore. I'm gonna marry your daughter.
I've been around for
my daughter hasn't spoken to me in years, and you know it.
I never knew my dad as a peaceful person. That always scared me.
pleased to meet you. Hope you get my name.
I know it sounds crazy,
Oh yeah.
but people change.
I was hunting you with the nature of my.
It's not who you think he is, Jake. He'll hurt us.
Why don't you start calling me?
Baby bird.
You're gonna be part of the family business.
You got my attention. But when you don't know what you're doing,
Gonna get that belly.
So much you don't know, Jacob.
They took my life, and when I got out, who's waiting for me? Nobody!
This is not about the money. This is about you and me.
It's about doing the right thing.
It's about the
Baby bird.
I did tell you, Jake. I did warn you.
It's easy to get in. It's hard to get out.
Is that a threat?